Summit, you're welcome back to my platform once again. So you can see what we have here. So in our today's class, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful tummy wrap. So if it's what you would love to learn, kindly stay tuned. Okay. And if you are new, I'm Chi Living Signature. So first, we have to list out the required materials. Okay. What we have on the table here is 9.5 inches elastic by width. Okay, we also have 1 inch elastic and our hook and loop tape. Yeah, so for the elastic band, you can see it's 9.5 inches. You can work with 8 inches width. Okay, but the length is 2 yards and 23 inches, but what you have here is just 1 yard and 23 inches. It's just for illustration. Okay, so I will trim out this edge. Okay, so now we have to get our hook and loop. Now the hook part is the rough part, the loop part is the soft part. So you pull out the hook part. Okay, so before then we have to aim the tip like so. Okay, to create our clean base. Yeah, perfect base. So, to get my chalk, so this will serve as our aiming allowance. So we place our hook this way to top stitch at the tip. So this partner is going to serve as our wrong side. Yes, wrong side. So pin it this way. So the hook is facing the right side. So it's the wrong side of the hook with the wrong side of the elastic. Okay, so stitch at the tip. So we are through. You can see how beautiful it is. So this part, sorry, camera couldn't capture that part. It's the same hemming. We decide to aim twice. Yeah, aim my twice for perfect base when I'm through. Okay, so this 1 inch elastic, but if you have 0.7 inch elastic, you can use it, but please make sure you use a matching color. Yeah, I don't have black color available. Okay, so we'll be doing this as well on the right side. So we stop stitching inward this way to the wrong side. Note the part that we stitched our hook is the wrong side, so we have to pull our elastic this way. Yeah, the elastic in this way as well to stitch as well. That's to top stitch on the wrong side, just at the tip. So you can see what I'm doing right now. So I have to quickly cut a pin. Yeah, so if you're finding it interesting, please like, comment. Sorry, scissors to trim off this part. So this is this. I will just take it to the machine to stitch at the tip. Okay, this way. So you stitch to the wrong side, which is the part that would our hook is. You can see. So this is the hook. Okay, the rough part. Okay, so we have to flip it now like so to the part that is going to serve as our right side. So now the hook is in. Yeah, it's on the wrong side. So open it this way. Introduce our measurement tape. Okay, measure 18 inches. Okay, yes, 18 inches. You could try to work with 15 inches for a smaller size. 18 inches. When you're done with 18 inches, measure out 3 inches. Yeah, but before doing that, make sure you introduce your loop. Yeah, this part is loop, the soft part. Okay, like so. So the next part you will measure 2.5 inches. Introduce your loop as well this way. Okay, mark. So you measure again 2.5 inches. Okay, yeah. So the first length is 18 inches. Okay, the second one is 3 inches. Yeah, it goes out to 3.5. Yeah, the third one is 2.5. So introduce your loop. So the fourth one is 2.5 as well. Okay, you can see 2.5. Then introduce our loop. So this part is not difficult. All I just have to do is just to take it to our sewing machine to stitch at the tip. Okay, so note this part is called the loop, which is the soft part. Okay, so let's quickly do that. And before we proceed, if you are interested in our offline class, kindly click on the link below, okay, or you contact us with the number you see here. Yeah, so registration is still ongoing for our January 2026 session. So here we are. You can see this is how you should stitch at the tip of your loop. Yeah, at the tip. So you could side, sorry, my friend, to top stitch at the tip as well. Yeah, at the length base. So we'll stitch all through. You can see how perfect it looks. So let's move to our cutting table. So we are through. So how to trim out unwanted thread. Okay. So as a fashion designer or a fashion student, you don't need to buy tummy wrap. You can actually make this for a client. Yes. So if one is interested, like, okay, so I'm introducing mine. Okay, as I told you, the length of the standard one is 2 years and 23 inches. Okay, but what I just have here is 1 year and 23 inches. Okay, so please do not forget the length of your tummy wrap. Yeah, now the weight, you can work with 8 inches waistband by length or 9.5 inches, but I prefer the 9.5 inches. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you find it interesting, please like, comment, share. Okay, yeah, I love you all. I remain your favorite fashion tutor, Chi Living Signature. Bye.